tracking that and much more for us right now. Monica.
Right, and so tropical depression Grace right now just moving off to the south of Puerto Rico, starting to move towards the Dominican Republic. This is the latest path. Winds at 35 miles per hour, and it's actually not expected to gain strength, but it will move over Haiti heading into our Monday. It's not going to last long, though. This is actually just a couple of hours, and then it's off towards Cuba. But in that time frame, could get a lot of rain, wind, and the potential for storm surge. So that's why really intensifying efforts for any survivors from that earthquake. A lot going on there for Haiti right now. Meantime, temperatures locally, we're looking at highs today, mid to upper 90s. The haze really keeping us from the 100s this afternoon. Low 90s for Auburn, Placerville, and Jackson, and right about 90 for Truckee and South Lake Tahoe. Those temperatures right about average, if not just slightly above our average high of 92 degrees for much of the valley. Yesterday's high of 100, and today picked up a bit more smoke and a high of 95. And that smoke hangs with us through tonight and tomorrow. Currently in the Gilmore backyard, we've got clear skies, a little bit of haze out there. The moon looking a little orange, 73 degrees for Sacramento, 78 for Stockton. Modesto, we're still at 84 degrees. Very hazy skies, 79 for Marysville, and 65 with a lot of smoke moving into the Tahoe area through tonight and into tomorrow. Where we're seeing some of the purple, that's going to be a lot more concentration of smoke. And that's where we're seeing things head our way for tonight, especially filling into that 80-50 corridor. Then we get into the late afternoon and evening, and look at how those winds just start to push all of that smoke off to the east. So we'll really start to see some nice clearing by the time we get to Monday evening. It's going to be kind of coming and going here. It's not like it's going to clear out and that's it, because we still have a lot of fires burning. And now we've got the new one in El Dorado County, and also the Dixie Fire continues to burn, along with a couple of other fires along the northwest coast there. A low pressure system is starting to push our way, and this is what's really going to help bring back that onshore flow, clear out some of the smoke by tomorrow evening, and also bring down the temperature. So no longer are we in that stable weather pattern. Lots of smoke sitting over us and highs close to 100 instead. Starting to see a little bit of airflow through here. Highs will be right around 90 tomorrow for this year, still approaching near 100 for much of the foothills, with our 5-day forecast even showing the Tahoe area starting to cool into the 70s by the time we get to the middle of the week. Highs will be in the 60s and 70s along the coast. We head inland. We're back to about 100 for tomorrow. Areas that see a little bit more haze, especially for the Sacramento area and points northward and through the foothills, are going to keep things just a little bit cooler for tomorrow afternoon, but we'll see some pockets in there with highs in the 100s. Then we get into the 90s heading into our Tuesday forecast, and we're going to keep it there in the 90s through the end of the work week with a nice onshore flow. But again, Kurt, we've got that fire weather watch in effect for Tuesday.
Absolutely. We will be keeping a close eye on that. Thanks, Monica.